Welcome back, nature lovers. Get ready to be charmed as we bring you a captivating wildlife spectacle that will leave you in awe. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of Duckling Daycare, where a synchronized swimming class is in full swing. That's right! A group of adorable fluffy ducklings has decided to put on a world-class performance. Their perfectly timed dives and water ballet-like movements are nothing short of mesmerizing. Just wait until you see them in action. Their cuteness overload is guaranteed to make your day. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be enchanted by the synchronized swimming skills of these talented little ducklings. These little ones are all grown up and ready to take on the world. But before they do, they're taking some time to practice their synchronized swimming routine. After all, they want to make sure they're ready for their big show. They're not your average ducklings, you know. No siree. These little guys have been practicing their moves day in and day out, and they're finally ready to show off what they've learned. So let's take a closer look at these adorable athletes and see what they've got. First, we'll meet our coach. Well, there isn't really a coach. They just sort of teach each other. Now let's watch them perform. Isn't this just the cutest thing you've ever seen? We can't help but smile at the sight of these fluffy ducklings waddling in perfect unison. It's clear that they've spent countless hours practicing their routine, and their hard work is paying off. As they dive into the water, it's like watching a group of tiny ballerinas performing on the surface of the pond. Their bodies glide through the water with ease, and their movements are both graceful and precise. We couldn't be more impressed with these little athletes. But that's not all. These ducklings have a few tricks up their webbed feet. They know how to keep their audience engaged, and they do so with style. Just look at this overhead shot. The ducklings form a perfect circle in the water, and it's a sight that we simply can't take our eyes off. And as they finish their routine with a final flourish, we can't help but feel a sense of pride. These ducklings have shown us that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. But now it's time to hear from you. What do you think their secret is? How do these ducklings perform such intricate synchronized routines? Is it instinct, playful imitation, or the guidance of an unseen maestro? Share your theories in the comments below. We love hearing what you have to say. And while you're at it, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more feathered fun. Thanks for joining us on this delightful journey through the world of synchronized swimming ducklings. We hope you enjoyed every perfectly timed dive and graceful glide as much as we did. Remember, you can always find more videos like this one on our channel. So stay tuned for our next feathered adventure. Until then, keep being you, keep loving nature, and keep watching our channel. Who knew that watching ducks could be so darn entertaining?